Welcome to this video on PHÍME, the Planetary Health Institute for Metabolic Ecology. This is the first system designed to connect the health of our soil, the food we consume, and human health. Currently, we operate under two systems with zero connection. Healthcare treats symptoms while ignoring food system causes, while modern agriculture damages the source, driving chronic health issues. Medicine often overlooks the food system that contributes to illness. More than 40% of people are now considered metabolically unhealthy. The system that created this crisis cannot be the one to fix it. This is not primarily a medical problem. It is an ecological one. The decline in health starts in the ground with depleted soil, leading to nutrient-poor food and eventually chronic disease. There is a massive gap that no one is closing. Modern medicine often fails to account for the impact of food and soil, while farming often fails to connect its practices to human health. No institution currently bridges these two worlds. Health starts in the soil, moving through our food and gut to our overall well-being. This chain is simple, yet no existing system tracks it from end to end. This missing system is PHÍME. We are the institution that finally connects soil health and human health. PHÍME operates as a living system driven by four forces: health, food, the environment, and data. It is not just a product. It is a system that improves every single day it runs. Our system learns from every patient. By integrating data, treatments, and ongoing learning, every person who enters the system makes it smarter and more effective for everyone who follows. PHÍME works by providing metabolic care rooted in the environment, partnering with farms to restore soil nutrition, tracking everything in one dataset, and constantly learning to improve outcomes. The moment to act is now. Disease is rising. Our food systems are faltering, and while capital is flowing toward health and climate, no one is connecting them. PHÍME is the answer. We represent a different kind of institution. While others treat disease after it happens, PHÍME repairs the underlying system, builds essential infrastructure, and connects everything into one unified model. Our goal is simple: to restore the soil, the food, our people, and the planet. We are building this together with doctors, farmers, researchers, and partners who understand that infrastructure matters. We invite you to join us. Most disease begins in how we grow our food. PHÍME, the Planetary Health Institute for Metabolic Ecology, is the system built to prove that and fix it.